Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel.
Easy master key system. I just had a great idea, guys. Welcome back. Look at this. I'm going to cut up 5 keys and 1 control key and put them in a tag and bring them to work. I'm not going to pin the cylinders up, but I will pin up a test cylinder just to make sure. And I'm going to make a whole master key chart all in these little tags. Isn't this a great idea? You can bring it to work and you can pin up cylinders at will and you won't have to think about it. It'll be a tag hanging on pre-cut keys. I'm going to cut up 5 keys and 1 control key. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll have more door and lock tips like this coming to you in the future. Thank you so much.
Subscribe to my channel. 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 Yeah.